Hi, my name's Rich. I have been with Dr. Glass for about 1.5 years now. I came with him and sat down, did a consultation. He felt that working with my dentist very closely, that Invisalign would be the best choice for me. At a young age, I grew up out in Suffolk, Virginia, and I grew up in the country, and we had well water, and it had extreme fluoride, and it caused extreme decay of my teeth and the enamel through the years. As I became an adult, that enamel caused extreme erosion, and a lot of dental work had to be either done as we went through crowns and work of that nature, but then even that didn't last, and they had to start all being pulled out. After working with the dentist and Dr. Glass, instead of getting dentures, this is a much more stable and long-term solution than trying to choose dentures, which changes the facial structure of the face, and that's something I didn't want to do. I wanted to retain the same smile that I had and what I envisioned it would be when we got done. I've been very pleased with the care, the phone calls, the follow-up, the constant staying in contact with my dentist to ensure that everything that I was looking for was being achieved. As this has been corrected, it's made other corrections that's allowed me to get better sleep at night. So that's been an added bonus and well worth the investment of getting my smile restored. Dr. Glass is very attentive. He's very personable. He's easy to talk to. He listens. I couldn't be happier with working with him. I personally would recommend Dr. Glass Orthodontics because of the care that I've received. From the time I've called and the way they've been so accommodating, even with appointments, to work with what works with me. And I couldn't be more appreciative of how they've handled it through the whole process.